officers to join on board in our LPG vessels under Marshal Island flag and more than 20,000 gross ton. Yeah, currently we are open for Panama officers with a salary starting with 6,000 US dollar for the junior officers with experiences starting on 6 months experiences in the same rank and the same type of the vessels, and the salary up to 12,200. We will pay you with your seniority. If you have more experiences, so you will get more salaries also. It's very nice for you because this is the fixed rotation. It will be 10 weeks on and 10 weeks off, or 2 months a half on and 2 months a half off. Yeah, we are open for Panama officers. So you can send your application to our email if you are interested for these vacancies, or you can put it directly to our link database. But you need to remember, for these vessels you need to have very good English. So you can make sure that you have good English, because we will verify your English with our interview process with English language. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend in Panama. Bye bye.